Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. John here with Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we're going to showcase a new process that we like to use detailing engine bays. And as you can see here, we're starting off with Manett's Breakdown. This is our new favorite engine cleaner for engine bays. It's great for traffic film and all the muck and gunk that you can collect in your engine bay. Gonna spray it here all over everything. Let it dwell for a little bit. Then we're gonna come in with some different brushes and get to work. I don't know how much of the camera is catching this, but I am using the old style Adams fender or wheel liner brush. It's very soft bristled, safe for paint. It sucks they don't make these anymore because this was a great brush. I don't know what we're gonna do when it completely wears out. We're gonna have to figure out something, but I digress. Between that and a little soft detailing brush to get in the nooks and crannies, we're going around underneath the hood shocks, around the plastic, around the fender jams, and all that good stuff. This is not rocket science out here. I'm just cleaning an engine bay. And some of you may be thinking, or anybody that has been following the channel, that we just put out several months ago a video on the channel about detailing engine bays, and that engine was very, very, very filthy, and we knew this vehicle was going to come in for a 3-year ceramic coating, and I instantly knew it was the perfect candidate to shoot a video on with these products that we are using here. This is a higher end type of package. This is in the upper echelon of packages that we offer, even though it's only a 3-year coating. And for these higher end packages, we use premium products as a whole, but for these real high end packages, we like to use a little bit more of a premium product so our customers are getting their money's worth. And some of you out there watching might feel that's crazy, or that's insane, or stupid, or ignorant, or whatever. This is what we do for our shop, in our environment, for our customers, and we price accordingly. And over the last couple of months using Manett's Breakdown, I've really fell in love with how it works and the amount of grime and dirt and muck and crap that it breaks down and removes. It really does break down everything just like the bottle says. I haven't been using it that long, but I've been using it long enough that I may start using it as our primary engine bay cleaning product. We shall see. Now that we've gotten everything agitated and taken care of underneath the engine bay, we're going to go ahead and rinse it free. You don't have to worry about getting water in 90% or more of all the newer engines being built today. They're not waterproof, but if you're careful with a pressure washer, why? You just have to be mindful that you're spraying water in an engine bay. Like everything else, start from the top down. And I was really stunned, and it sucks I don't have a third arm, because the amount of crap that we got loose from the little mini hood insulator that's up there on the hood was unbelievable. Very impressive. we're going to break out the flex cordless mini blower here and blow out any of the nooks and crannies, especially in the hood insulator there at the bottom where the water likes to hang from top to bottom. Any of the nooks and crannies, the plastic in the engine. So we're dealing with a completely dry surface. I'm going to bring in a grade B microfiber. It's still safe to use everywhere but the exterior of the vehicle. You can still use it underneath the hood, and it's not going to be an alarming thing, but it's not something you're going to want to reintroduce to the exterior of the vehicle. And then for the underside of the hood here, we're going to stay within the Manett's family, and we're going to use gloss sauce. We absolutely love gloss sauce for the underside of hoods, door jambs after they're clean, and even for the exterior of the vehicle. Gloss sauce is a 6-month ceramic sealant, and it's one of the ones we use a lot in our shop for our customers. As you can see, we are getting all the painted surfaces in the fender jambs or fender lips here, underneath the hood everywhere, and any place that we can reach with our hands. And before I forget, I will list the products in the description below with a 10% off code. But please, if you enjoy what you're using now, I'm not trying to get you to switch, but if you like what you see and you're wanting to change or want to try something new, here you go. And for protection for the plastic trim or plastic under the hood here in the engine bay, we're going to break out the Manett's Megashine. We recently started using Megashine, and after months of using it, this may be a new mainstay for us in our shop, especially when it comes to the higher end vehicles here. This stuff is self-leveling. You can use it on paint, you can use it on rubber, you can use it on plastic trim. This stuff is very versatile. I like to spray it on, and it levels out best if the sun would come out here. But we'll come back in about 10 minutes and just mop up with a microfiber and just help level it out a little bit. And luckily the sun did come out. It pretty much self-leveled itself everywhere. Just going to bring in a microfiber and lightly knock down anything that is left over. And I don't know if it's coming through on the video here, but the difference from before I sprayed it till now is just absolutely 100% night and day. This stuff is absolutely killer. This is the first time checking out our channel. Welcome to the family. Please hit the like button and that subscribe and the notification bell so you'll get notifications when we post new videos. To our existing subscribers, thank you for all your support. I'm always available for questions. I've had people text me, email me, and ask me about different things, and I am happy to answer any questions that I can if I'm not completely swamped with work, but I do get to all the comments and the videos and texts and emails and all that good stuff as quick as I can. And as you can see here, this thing turned out absolutely gorgeous. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight & Shining Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see everybody in the next video. Have a great week, everybody.